Due to heat, hot oil, and age, these hoses get brittle and will eventually fail. Ours failed at the flex point on the oil filler neck. Because the hose is one piece and connects to both cylinder banks, you will need to remove the engine cooling fans and housing, rear wing, tail lights, rear bumper cover, airbox, and heat shields. Depending on the year of your 991 Gen 1, you may have 2 heat shields on the chassis crossmember. The center one cannot be removed until you remove the right side shield. You will need to drill out the rivet for the right side shield and reinstall the rivet when finished. The other shield is held in place by 2 13mm speed nuts. The hose is difficult to replace in that you may end up removing several other smaller components to reinstall it. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with all those tasks if needed. Disconnect the hose from the oil filler neck by squeezing in on the connection, red arrows, and wiggling it up and off. On the left side, or the 1 through 3 cylinder bank, the breather hose is connected to the cylinder bank by a squeeze clip. Unfortunately, the breather hose is located below the 2 coolant hoses, blue arrow. If you cannot access the breather hose, you will need to drain the coolant system to below this point. If you choose this route, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with coolant flush and fill. The breather hose goes from the cylinder bank up through a clip on the intake runner, red arrow, and vents to the oil filler neck. The hose connects to the top of the AC compressor, red arrow, by a clip, and to the oil filter housing neck, green arrow, and the bank 4 to 6 cylinder, blue arrow. Squeeze in on the ridge section of the hose connection and wiggle it up and off, red arrow. Use an E12 Torx to remove the single screw holding the hose to the oil filter housing, red arrow. Wiggle and pull the hose back and out from the oil filter housing. You can now feed the hose out from the engine compartment. When installing, place a small amount of Porsche synthetic grease on each fitting before installation, and installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.